How fun is that, Taryn? Wake up in the morning to leave Salzburg and go to Switzerland.
Yeah.
And it's snowing outside. This is crazy. Look at this.
Quite a bit.
We're just gonna walk to the bus station and open the door to this beautiful sight. So by some miraculous miracle, we're actually early for the bus. And we didn't want to stand in the snow because we had like 20 minutes until the bus is coming. So we stopped here at Anchor. We're gonna get a coffee and then go catch our Flixbus to Munich, transfer over, and end up in Switzerland. We've also noticed from like the first moment that we got into Salzburg at the train station that we have not seen any garbage anywhere. It's like super clean in all of the train stations. It's amazing. Flixbus is here, it's go time, baby.
Two person? Chat?
Chat and Taryn.
Ah, next second.
Yeah.
Super. Danke.
Okay.
First one's on the bus, so we got the front seats going to Zurich.
My bag's too fat.
Oh no, it won't fit.
My bag's too fat.
Shoot.
Alle sicher snallen, auf sicher gründen.
Go time. We're set up here. Best seat in the house. Looks like we're stopping for fuel. Never done that before on a Flixbus. 4.5 hours, we'll be in Zurich, rent our car, drive on our way to Liechtenstein. Little did we know we had to get on a boat to go across the lake on our way to Zurich. Who knew?
There you go.
Here we go. Definitely doesn't look like it should fit in here. It's pretty windy out here. It's nice to be on a boat though. Feels good.
Deutsch, English? English. Français?
English.
No.
Vancouver. Not Montreal. Eh?
No.
How long you stay in Europe?
We're here until January.
Okay. You make holidays.
Yes.
Okay. You have something to declare? You have alcoholic drink,
No
cigarettes,
alcohol.
nothing, meat, nothing?
No.
Okay.
No.
Just a moment, please. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Got my passports. Hope they bring them back. When that one will be.
I'm not sure. Probably just want to scan all passports.
Thank you. Perfect. And we're out of the border crossing. All good to go. Into Switzerland. How was that experience for you, Taryn?
Rather uneventful.
Yeah, it was
Lasted
pretty
longer
easy.
than I thought.
Yeah, it took way longer, but it's all good. Now we're in Switzerland. Yay!
Hopefully we'll be there soon and we can train to our car.
Yeah, we still have to take a train to pick up our car to drive an hour to our Airbnb. Don't want to forget that, do you, Taryn?
No.
Switzerland. Now we just gotta find the train. Platform 33. 31 to 34 this way. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get that train, Taryn. It's the last thing we do. We're gonna get it.
It's not going to be the last thing we do. We will get it. We will find it. Oh, that's a long walk.
No, it's the left one. Platform 33. No! We've missed it. We missed it, Taryn. We're gonna have to get the next one. So... There goes our ride. 2 minutes late. Hey, Taryn. My bad. I didn't go fast enough.
You didn't go fast enough. Yeah, thank you. Confessions, come out. I told him we needed to hustle getting off the bus. I had a feeling. And he was like...
I wasn't worried.
It was a good
I should have been.
time. And I was like, I'm chill. I just think we gotta go.
We should have gone faster.
So just-
My bad.
Oh well.
Oops.
We're gonna make
We did it. At least there's only like a 2 minute wait. That's a pro. To Flughafen?
25, 20, please. What's €2?
Yeah, do you take your out?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
The next one you pay ticket for oncoming on the train. In Switzerland it's very expensive the train.
Oh, okay.
Okay? €23.
Here?
23.
23.
23, sorry. I was like, wow, that's cheap. Okay, sorry.
Nice trip.
Thank you very much. So our first lesson learned in Switzerland. We just got on the train and we spent over 23 euros for a train ride that was about 9 minutes long.
Not even.
It would have cost us 15-20 in francs, so like 15 euros. But because we bought the tickets on the train, it cost us an extra 10 Swiss francs.
Yeah.
So even without the extra charge, it's expensive, but adding the extra 10 was it's a little too bad. So buy tickets beforehand if you're getting on a train. Hello.
Okay.
So no turning right on red light.
That's right.
Okay.
We have no toll roads, only the sticker, and the sticker is
What's the
already on the
average
rental
speed
car,
limit?
so you can drive in Switzerland everywhere. 120
Okay.
kilometers with 80 or
And
90.
what about if we drove to Liechtenstein?
It's no problem. Can I make a pin code, please?
No additional toll?
No. You can drive in every European country.
I think the
Around Switzerland, no problem. Is that
okay.
it?
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here it is, our Fiat. Our Fiat for Switzerland. Little station wagon. All right. Unlock. Yeah, cozy and quaint little place. It's got a little loft upstairs. It's sweet. Cute.
Super cute.
Sort of. That goes through it?
Yeah.
Neat. Follow us on Instagram.